the question. Amal takes a loan 50,000 rupees from a bank for 2 years at an annual simple interest 12%. Okay, simple interest 12%. Simple interest means the work is very easy. Then first question is asking that find the total interest amount he has to pay for 2 years. Simple interest means the interest rate or the interest value, the investment, sorry, the loan amount does not change. So 2 years interest, 2 years interest. To find that, what do we need to do? We know the interest percentage, which is 12%. So 100 over 12 multiplied with the loan amount, that was 50,000. 50,000. So while simplifying this, likewise, this interest for 1 year. Okay, for 1 year, this is the way you should find the interest. Now we are considering about 2 years now. So you should multiply this value by 2. Simple interest now. So you can directly multiply this by 2. That will give you, okay, it would be 6,000 and 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees is the amount he has to pay as interest for 2 years. And in the second question, Amal deposit the loan amount he obtained in the fixed bank deposit account that pays an annual interest of 15% compounded annually for 2 years. Find the amount in the account at beginning of second year. Okay. He is doing a good business. That means he just borrowed the loan from a bank from low interest percentage. So that amount he is going to deposit that amount in another bank in fixed deposit. Okay, comparatively than saving deposit, fixed deposit will give you highest number of interest rate. Okay, highest number of interest rate. So in that 15% compounded annually for 2 years. Okay, he was invested that amount for 2 years. The amount he got as a loan, he just invested the total amount in another bank for fixed account under compound interest. Find the amount, this amount in this account at the beginning of second year. Beginning of second year means, so what do we need to do is you should find first year, compound interest, compound interest. To find that, 100 over 15 into his investment on that bank, the amount he borrowed, totally that amount was deposited in the second bank. So 50,000. So likewise, it will give you 7,500. Okay. So per year, he is receiving 7,500 rupees as. For the first year, he is receiving 7,500 rupees as interest. Okay, as interest. But the question is asking, find the amount in this account at beginning of second year. I told you in beginning of second year, with his investment, there is a small amount of interest. So in starting of second year, both together will be included while calculating the interest for second year. Okay, so in this account at the beginning of second year was the amount in that bank. So already his investment was 50,000 rupees. Now end of first year he is receiving 7,500 rupees as interest. So both together at the beginning of second year in his account, the amount he has, that should be 57,500 rupees. Okay, already 50,000, and end of first year another interest 7,500. So both together 57,500 rupees. That's the amount when starting at second year. That's the amount in his account. In the third part, at end of 2 years, he withdraws the total amount he in his fixed deposit account and settle his bank loan amount. Yeah, then show he has more than 4,000 rupees remaining in hand. Okay, so the thing, now we know at start of the second year his bank, okay, in the saving account, okay, in the fixed deposit saving account, the amount of value in his bank account at the beginning of second year was 57,500. So likely when you need to find mm, second year end, okay, second year end, at second year end, what is the amount in his account? So 100 over, what is the percentage? 15 percentage? No, so no need to find the 15 percentage separately, so you can include it as 100 over 115 into the amount here you denote, okay. That means at starting of second year, the amount in his compound interest account was 57,500. So you should substitute that one. So end of second year, when we simplify them, that will give you 66,125 rupees. Okay, 66,125 rupees. That means end of 2 years. After end of 2 years, in his saving account, okay, the amount he deposited at the fixed deposit, that was now 66,125. This is the amount in his bank account. Then at the end of 2 years, he withdraws the total amount his fixed account. Okay, this is the total amount in fixed account. No, fixed deposit account is going to withdraw the total amount and going to settle the bank loan. So he already borrowed a loan, no? So he has to settle that loan. Okay, to settle the loan, how much he need? Settlement amount. Settlement. So earlier he borrowed just his loan amount was 50,000 rupees. Similarly, in first part we found for 2 years he has to pay 12,000 as interest. So both together, so he has to pay totally 62,000 rupees to the bank. Okay, to the bank where he borrowed, he took the loan as 50,000 rupees. So he has to settle 62,000 rupees. Okay. Then our question show that he now has more than 4,000 rupees remaining in hand. Okay. From the total amount, end of second year, he withdrew the total amount. No, from that, he just settled the amount he take as loan with interest. Okay. He just settled those amounts. So after that, the remaining amount you have to show that that is greater than more than 4,000 rupees. So to find that remaining, to find the remaining, what do we need to do? 66,125. From that, you should subtract the settlement. He just spent 62,000. So after settling that, he has totally 4,125 rupees. Okay, 4,125 rupees. This is the amount remains in his hand. Okay, remain in his hand. So 4,125 rupees. So we have to show now he has more than 4,000 rupees. So 4,125, that was greater than 4,000. Greater than 4,000 rupees. Yeah, also more than or less than. In these questions, you receive a question like more than or less than. You should denote it by using inequality. So 4,125, that was greater than 4,000. So you should write after end of 2 years. Okay, after end of 2 years, after settlement. Okay, after end of 2 years, the amount he has from fixed account, that was 66,125. From that, after settlement, he has totally 4,125 rupees. This is greater than 4,000 rupees. So finally in your answer you should denote after settling the loan amount, the amount he has, that is 4,125 rupees, which is greater than 4,000 rupees. Likewise, you can write your answer.